This is a space for your living area where you can add up your own decors. This is the kitchen area where you can set up your bed space. Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. Myself Jetal and today we are here at Prestige City, located in Sarjapur, Bangalore, a project developed by Prestige Group. And now, today we are here to check out their 3 BHK model flat. But before moving further, let me show you the actual surrounding of the project. So right now we are standing in front of the marketing office and this is the marketing office of the project, and now the land parcel is whole right over here. Now we'll be talking about the acres later on, but before that, let me introduce you with Housey. So Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyer directly with developer, thereby giving you all the bottom rate guarantee. Unlike current listing platform where if you do a single inquiry, your contact number gets shared with multiple brokers, which will ultimately result in too many phone calls. Well, you no need to worry because Housey is here who connects you directly with builders. Because in Housey, the listing is done by the builders and not the broker. So book your dream home directly with builders on Housey. Now before moving further, let's discuss about the project overview. So Prestige City is an integrated township developing total 200 acres of land parcel, which is divided into multiple clusters. And recently we are going to launch with 2 new projects inside the Prestige City, that is the Prestige Fernleaf and even the Prestige Eden Park. And for that you have to stay tuned with Housey. Now about the amenities part. So inside the Prestige City, all the clusters will be having its own amenities. So the common amenities like of clubhouse, swimming pool, multi-purpose court, landscape garden and many more amenities. Now about the location part. And Prestige City is located on Sarjapur Main Road in Sarjapur, South Bangalore. Let me show you the neighborhood of the project. So basically this is the internal road of the project. You can have a look how well developed the internal roads are. Now coming to the further connectivity and location of the project, so you can connect to RGA Tech Park in 10 minutes from the project. Wipro Koriti is again 10 minutes away. Embassy Tech Park is 15 minutes away from the project. And let me inform you one more thing, that you'll be getting the Prestige Forum Mall inside the community itself. So this is your 3 BHK model flat of 1629 square feet super built up area. So here's the main entrance of your house, and once you enter, let me show you that they are providing with a foyer area for your privacy. And over this side is your L-shaped living and the dining area. So you can check out, this is a space for your living area where you can add up your own decors with the sofa set, couch and even the TV unit. So this living area has a connecting balcony as well. So you can check out the balcony with anti-skid flooring, iron railing, and this balcony is 2-side open, which gives you 2-side open view. Once you move in, let me show you the dining area as well. So here's your dining area where you can easily set your 8-seater of dining table easily. And now about your kitchen area. So opposite to it with the easy access, they are providing with the kitchen area, and this is the kitchen area where you can set up your parallel fitting platforms with cabinets. And here's the utility area. So basically let me show you the utility area with anti-skid flooring and the provision for machines. Now let's move further towards your bedroom space. So all the 3 bedrooms are on the one side of the house. So for that you have to take this passage area, and once you enter the passage area, on my right hand side is your washroom area, the common washroom with anti-skid tiles and CP sanitary fittings. And with easy access to this washroom, right here is your bedroom number 1. So you can check out the spacious room with the bed space. There's a window. There's a wardrobe space over here. A window behind me for ventilation and lighting purpose, and even you can add up your TV unit space right here. And now about the bedroom number 2. So your bedroom number 2 is exactly in front over here. So once you enter this bedroom, you can check out the bed space, the wardrobe space over this side, even this window for ventilation and lighting purpose right here. And over this side is your attached washroom to this bedroom with intricate tiles and CP sanitary fittings. Now I know you guys are waiting for the master bedroom, but before that, let me introduce you with all the key features of Housey. Housey is here with the actual location tool, with its sample flight videos with the pros and cons of the project, payment scheme, EMI schedule and 360-degree location tool. All these wonderful features under Housey.com. So what are you waiting for? Schedule your free site visit by registering for free on Housey.com. And now about the master bedroom. So the master bedroom is exactly beside this room, and once you enter you can check out the spacious foyer area over here. And once you enter, here's your bed space, a huge bed space, and right here is your balcony. So this is a sit out area with intricate flooring and with iron railing as well. This area is basically two-side open, so it will give you a perfect two-side open view. And now the wardrobe space is exactly opposite over here, so you can set your wardrobe over this side. About the washroom, yes, so it has a attached washroom with intricate tiles and CP sanitary fittings. So now, as you all know, we are here at Prestige Group project. Have you checked another project with Prestige Group? If yes, then do let me know in the comment section below. And lastly, do not forget to give a thumbs up and do follow subscribe Housey.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.